Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Nakisa AI Agent for inspections in Nakisa Facility Management. I'm Fadia Facility Manager. Today I'm going to show you how to use Nakisa's AI Agent to create and modify a list of inspection items. First, I'll show you how the Nakisa AI Agent can create a recommended list of items that should be inspected. Then, we'll explore how it assists with modifications. Let's start by using the Nakisa AI Agent for inspections to create my inspection list. First, I need to select an inspection. From the inspection page, I pick the inspection I need to add items to. Next, I'll select the Inspections tab. To generate the inspection list, I click on the Nakisa AI button. The window opens and begins to compile an inspection item list for this inspection. The inspection list is displayed in the window for me to review. Since this is a facility inspection, the Nakisa AI Agent also added inspection areas to group the inspection items. I click Apply Changes to add the suggested list. The inspection items and areas are added to the inspection. Now let's make modifications to the inspection list with the Nakisa AI Agent. To modify my inspection list, first I click Nakisa AI. I can add, remove, or modify inspection items by writing what I want updated in the text box. Today, I am adding 2 items to my list. Once I complete entering my updates, I'll click Generate. The Nakisa AI Agent will update the list based on the information I provide. When I'm done editing the list, I click Apply Changes. I click Confirm to apply the changes. The updated list appears in the Inspection Items list. Now I'm ready to perform this inspection. Thanks for watching.